So as you can tell by the title of this video, my 100 miler that I was supposed to run in Reedley, California on October 31st, the Silver Moon 100 miler, has been postponed until next year. Yes, I am bummed about it. I was really looking forward to getting in my first official 100 miler and to get that shiny belt buckle, though I totally understand why they're postponing it. I can't do anything about it, and it is what it is. And the good news is that I haven't committed financially to this race yet. I was actually waiting until about 2 weeks out from the race to commit for this exact reason, because I didn't want to pay for it and then for it to be postponed. And the game plan moving forward for the rest of the year is I will be getting in at least one 50 miler and one 100 miler by the end of the year. I have until December 31st, and whether that means an official race, if I can find any official races, because it seems like a lot of the races are getting postponed, at least in my general vicinity of where I live, or if I have to do it self-supported like I did last year, either way, I will be getting them in. And yeah, that 100 mile belt buckle would have been nice, but at the same time, it's not why I'm doing these ultra distances. I'm not running these crazy distances for a piece of metal. I'm really running these ultra distances to push my mind and to expand my mental capacity, because I really truly believe that there are so many life lessons and life metaphors that comes from training and running a 100-mile race. And my first 100 miler that I did last year, self-supported, it was the toughest thing that I've ever had to do physically and mentally. I basically had to waddle the last 30 miles. I couldn't even bend my knees, and I was in so much pain. But when I finished, there was just that sense of accomplishment, like, oh my gosh, I just ran 100 miles. And then I started to think about, if I can do this, I can literally do anything that I put my mind to. And to be completely honest with you, I don't even like ultra running all that much, though I keep at it because it sucks, because I don't want to, and especially because there are so many life lessons that comes from ultra running. You have to show up day in and day out. You have to not only work hard, but you have to work smart to make sure that you don't get injured. And most importantly, when you're executing the 100 miler, aka life, and when things get tough and when things hurt, you have to keep pushing forward, because how do you run 100 miles one foot in front of the other? Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed that video. Please let me know down below if you have any additional comments or questions for me. Would love to hear from you all. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really help me out. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. On this YouTube channel, I come out with daily YouTube content. Mondays, real estate. Tuesdays, Q&A. Wednesdays, live stream. Thursdays, miscellaneous. Fridays, jiu-jitsu. Saturdays, review/searchable videos. Sundays, ultra running. If you want to catch another one of my videos, there's a video right here and there's a video right here. See you all tomorrow.